Jialing. Today I'm in Taipei西门町to paint the street scene. It's a sunny day and busy streets, and I start to paint my first wash with you can say dirty yellow ochre with neutral tint and some leftover. And then randomly using my blue to indicate the sky color and just paint down.
不用啊，我没有要全湿。好，那我现在画到这边，我可能控制一下。
有在招生吗？
有啊。
所以这要有素描的，
先学素描。看你啊，都其实如果有画过素描最好啦，因为应该就是要打一些外观嘛，打一些稿。没有的话就一起画，就慢慢会进步。对。教室就在户外。对，我是写生课。很尴尬。
You can see I become more careful when I almost touch the horizon, the cars. Yeah, you can see I use a really big squirrel mop. Actually, I can switch to the smaller brush, but just too lazy to change the brush. Yeah, here I am. And leaving the paper wide of the windshield of the cars. And be aware of the crosswalk too. It add the accent of the busy street. And adding a bit of cobalt blue to make the road blue-gray color. Also some perspective line and some green to indicate the vegetation. So my first wash is finished. I need to let the paper dry. Okay, I start my second wash. I'm using the blue-gray, just neutral tint with ultramarine over the mixture of this leftover. I start from the left. It's because I'm right-handed, so it's easier to paint for me from left to right. And now I indicate some the red commercial mark and spread the water to make it more interesting and look like a big building. And before it dry, I use wet and wet technique to make more layers and lines to indicate the building behind. So now I start to paint the background and the buildings. I use a lighter tone and it's a blue-gray color. And I need to do the negative painting because I want to not be aware not to paint the car that I want to keep. I use spray gun to make the background not too clear, and then start to paint the right hand side building. It's also using blue-gray, and now it's darker, very rich dark tone that I planned to make it more strong. I decided to make the white house with the green roof paper white. I will deal with it later and go back to the cars. And in this stage, really need more patience to deal with this so many cars. Paint my darkest dark inside the arcade in the lower part of the buildings, and I paint some imaginary shadows of the Plein tofu shops. Yeah, because I think it looks better. Have some shadows across the wall. And the sun is coming from the left hand side. And I paint the pedestrians, also the scooters. Many scooters on the road are the characteristics of Taipei. Details and shadows of the cars. add some missing white highlight over the street lamp, traffic light, just adding more busy feeling of the street. Shadows in the foreground to lead the viewer into the painting. Just some final touch. I think I catch the busy city street scene in Ximending. I'm pretty happy about the result. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Happy painting.